With the reputation of being one of the most beautiful and diverse tourist spots in Asia, Bali annually attracts almost 4 million visitors from around the world. Hello, I'm Chris. Welcome to Chronica channel. The Balinese had no word for art and artists because traditionally art has never been regarded as something to be treasured for its own sake. Prior to the tourism boom, art was just part of everyday life, and what was produced went into temples, palaces, or festivals. All respected, the painter or carver was not considered a member of some special elite. The artist's work was not signed, and there were no galleries or craft shops. It is a different story today, with thousands of art outlets tucked into every possible crevice. Although much Balinese art is churned out quickly as a cheap souvenirs buried beneath the reproduction of reproductions, there is still much beautiful work to be found.